Hi, my name is Dr. Rick Chromey, and I'd like to welcome you to MANNA Educational Services International. We are a specialized nonprofit organization that empowers leaders and teachers, pastors and parents to be the best version of themselves that they can be. That's what we want to do. We want to step in and really be a new training arm within the church. We want to help Bible colleges and Christian schools and parachurch organizations, and of course the church, small, medium, and mega, to better train their leaders, to better train their volunteers, to better equip their parents. Now we're going to be doing a lot of online training like this, but our primary goal is to help you as the church, as a faith-based organization, or as a Christian school, Bible college, to help you, your faculty, your staff, your teachers, your leaders, whoever they might be, to be better at what they do, to teach better, to lead better, to parent better, to pastor better. You see, we've got a problem in the church today, and I think we all know it. It's like the elephant in the room, really. We understand and know that something is wrong, and we've got to figure this out. Right now, the generations, the postmodern generations in our culture, the millennials and the Gen Xers and the emerging high-tech generation born since 1999, they're literally walking away from the church. We all know it. Now, there are some churches that are doing great, and if that's you, I applaud the efforts and I applaud the work that you're doing, but most churches are stagnant or in decline. And that's what MANNA Educational Services wants to do. We want to step in and be that training arm of the church, but we also want to be the information arm. We want to help some of those individuals who have a problem connecting with the church today to find their space, to find their place in the modern church. Because there are a lot of people who just simply won't go to church anymore, but yet they still have a strong affinity towards Jesus. They still have a desire to live a Christian ethic and to be Christian. And if you're that type of person, we want to invite you into our story as well. Now, one thing you need to understand, we do this for free. Yes, you heard me right. We do this for free. Now, let's be also honest. We do this for free because we have people that stand behind what we do. We've got donors who give every single month so that we can go and we can share the good news, these great new ideas and insights, these wonderful inspirational trainings that we do, as well as the other types of creative things that we produce, whether it might be postcards or special, the midweek morning manna, which goes out every Wednesday morning. Manna exists because of good people who get behind what we do. And I'd like to invite you into our story. Now, maybe you're not quite yet ready to give. That's okay. But maybe you can start by hosting a Manna workshop in your church or in your Christian school or with the faculty at your Bible college or Christian school. We especially want to help smaller churches who can't afford to bring us. We will do everything we can to get the training done that you need to have done within your congregation. MANNA Educational Services International. We are inspirational edutrainment that's curiously divine.